hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going through the Lush Father's Day spoilers for 2022. Now, I don't normally address Father's Day. I just feel like the ranges over the past few years have been boring, very lackluster, half-assed and not very extravagant. Do you know what I mean? I feel like for Mother's Day we have such a wide range of products, but for Father's Day they normally release maybe 2 or 3 things, and it's normally like a bath bomb and a bubble bar, and that's kind of it. However, this year they have put a few more things out. I am very excited about it, so I thought I would do a spoilers video. Obviously, in regards to the haul, I'm still not sure whether you guys want to see a haul video. Let me know. If you do, I will buy them all. But yes, I'll probably end up buying them anyway, let's be honest. But without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first item that's going to be released is the Dirty Bath Bomb. Now this is the same as it was last year, so it's blue, then light blue, then green, and then yellow. So it's a really beautiful, earthy, oceany vibe, and I love that. And the fragrance for this is the same as the shower gel, so spearminty, pepperminty, very strong, very fresh, very neutral. It's not like a very sweet smell, it's not like a very earthy smell, it is just a very neutral, clean fragrance, which I like. The shower gel, I think it's really good for in the summertime. It's not my favourite by any means, and I don't ever feel the need to have one in my collection, but I do like the fragrance, so I probably will have to pick one of these up. I'm going to end up buying it all, aren't I? I can just see it happening now. But yeah, this is a really nice bath bomb. I love the look of it. I love the colours. I do like the fragrance and I'm excited. So yeah, that is the first item. And again, not really shocked by it because it was released last year, but it's definitely something good for Father's Day. So love that. So the next item is the #1 Dad Bubble Bar. This is a really beautiful blue trophy bubble bar with a gold glitter. Now, this one again is supposedly going to smell like dirty again, so a spearmint peppermint vibe, and supposedly this one was made with the idea in mind of dads on sports day, when all the dads do that kind of like dad race, you know, on sports day, and they would all kind of get really into it and that kind of thing, and that is supposedly what this is inspired by. So I love the idea of that. That is really, really cute, and it is going to make your water really nice and deep blue, so that is something really fun and different, and I love that. I think that's really nice and very thoughtful. So yes, Lush, good job. Love it. The next item is a shower gel, and this is the Glitch shower gel, and this is a neon green shower gel, very similar to the Ectoplasm, I guess in colour, but more of a green, and supposedly this one smells like Avo Bath, which is amazing. I love Avo Bath, and my friend Zoe is obsessed with Avo Bath, so I'm gonna have to let her know that they are releasing a shower gel in the same fragrance. But honestly, I'm so excited for this. I had Avo Shower a while ago. That was amazing. I really, really loved that. I think I have a little bit of it left. It was so, so good, so I'm definitely gonna have to pick up one of these. And inside this one, it says it has lemon balm infusion and fresh juices of lime and lemon and some sea salt. So it is going to be really fresh, really kind of citrusy. To me, Avo Bath has a very lemongrassy fragrance. I really like it. I think Avo Bath is definitely underrated, so I'm really excited to get that shower gel, and the fact that it is like neon green is very exciting, so I'm really looking forward to that one. So the next item is the Big Mustache Soap, and this one supposedly has a very woody and floral kind of fragrance, and in the notes it says it's a charcoal soap for your face and your body that has a very fresh and floral and woody fragrance, and it has a very similar smell to like an aftershave. I think that's kind of the point, so that men or women can use it on their face after they've shaved or whatever, and their face will smell good, I guess. I don't really understand, but I think that's what it's supposed to be for. But I really like the look of that. It's something very different. I feel like they don't ever really release a lot for Father's Day in terms of like skincare. I can't get my words out. Skincare. Obviously we used to have that mustache wax years ago, and we have Kalamazoo. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I can't think of anything else. So this is exciting, something different, and if I buy that for the video I'll probably end up giving it to Ryan, so that's a gift for him. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. I think that's a nice addition to the range for sure. And last but by no means least, this is what I mean when I say that the Lush Father's Day ranges are always so small, because I feel like I've been filming for about 3 minutes and I've gone through everything already, which is insane. I feel like Mother's Day and everything is like 20 minutes long, so yeah, the range isn't that big. But the last item is the Super Dad iPad, which is very similar to the Wonder Woman-y vibed one we had for Mother's Day. And again, I've said this before, I'm not massively keen on the iPads. I personally don't feel the need to use them all the time. I much prefer a sheet mask that goes into the eyes. Obviously I know they're not as good for the environment. If Lush did just the eye patches in like a little tub that would last, you know, a year, I'd be all over that. But I just don't really like the iPads. They're not my favourite. I find them quite expensive, and you're supposed to only use them once, and I think that is a very expensive gift, so I tend to use mine a few times. Ingredients wise, it says that it has carrot juice, saffron and aloe vera inside, and I think it's going to smell very similar, if not identical, to the Mother's Day one, which I don't love because I feel like, well, firstly I hate the smell of saffron. Not my favourite, but also I just feel like it was a bit of a lazy add-on because we've already had that smell. Like if it smelled like, I don't know, it's hard because it's going to go over your eyes, but like just something different would have been really good. It looks really cool. It's green, it's got the little star on it like Wonder Woman, and I do like the idea of it, but I feel personally like we could have had something a little bit better, maybe like a cleanser or a body scrub or like a shampoo or something. I don't know. I don't mind it. I like the idea. Not my favourite item by any means from the range. So that is the last one. So that is everything that is going to be included in the Lush Father's Day range. I do just want to give a shout out to lush.scents on Instagram. That is where I get all of this information from. So without you, this video would not be possible. So thank you very much. And I do just want to say as well, do you guys want to see a Father's Day haul? Let me know down below in the comments, because I feel like it would be very small, wouldn't be very long, but if you would like to see me review these products, do let me know down below. I'm more than happy to. Obviously I am doing the Easter range. I think that video will already be up when you're watching this, so I can't quite work out my schedule right now, but I think you already would have seen that, so that's already up. So let me know if you want to see this one. If you don't, that's fine, but yeah, let me know if you do and I'll do it. So yeah, so that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on the range down below. Obviously don't forget to subscribe, it makes me so incredibly happy, and I do currently have a 10k giveaway going on right now. If you haven't entered, make sure you do. All you need to do is go and watch my 10k subscriber giveaway video. All the instructions are in that video, and you can go and enter, so make sure you go do that. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and that is everything. So I love you guys so much. I will see you very soon. Goodbye, see you later.